Hello, San Bernardino. This is Mayor John Valdivia with a community update on COVID-19 and our response here locally. Joining me in the studios today to provide a public transportation viewpoint is the CEO and General Manager of Omnitrans, Erin Rogers. Welcome, Erin.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you for having me.
First off, I want to provide a little bit of background on Erin Rogers. She was appointed interim CEO, General Manager in November of 2019, and after 2 years, she had served in the capacity as a General Manager. She brings 3 decades of experience in the transit industry and now provides leadership there at Omnitrans. Let's immediately highlight our bus service. Obviously, a lot of our residents utilize Omnitrans in the city of San Bernardino. And today I just want to take a brief few minutes on some of the transportation opportunities here in our community. So what steps is Omnitrans taking to ensure that buses are clean and safe, especially during these times?
Sure. Well, thank you, Mayor. First of all, I'll start by saying when this situation began to unfold, our barometer for decision making is all about the health and safety of both our employees and the public. We have no higher priority. Beginning on March 5th, we enhanced the cleaning of both our fleet and our facilities, enhanced daily cleaning in the evenings, and our facilities are actually clean all throughout the day. Per the governor's executive order, our office staff and our transit center now are closed, and we're providing information to the public through a variety of other channels. And of course, we're continuing to recommend to the public that you follow the CDC recommendations for sanitizing, washing your hands, coughing and sneezing into your elbow, and avoid touching your face. Those messages we're pushing out through social media. We have Annunciator audible recordings on board the vehicles, reinforcing that along with a lot of signage.
Wonderful. Erin, in these challenging times and in keeping what the governor's order to stay home, how does a community balance both that order of staying home and staying in place while attempting still to conduct its business and errands? Lots of families still need to go shopping and go to that grocery store or maybe a doctor's appointment. So how do they balance that, especially utilizing public transportation?
Well, it certainly has been a challenge, but it's incredible the changes that our organization and the whole community have adapted to in such a short period of time. We're balancing, realizing we need to provide this vital service while keeping the public and our employees safe. We did make the difficult decision to implement a reduced service schedule in order to support these orders for both our employees and the public. We are providing additional mitigation efforts to support our customers. Starting Saturday, we implemented rear door only boarding on board the vehicles, and we're no longer collecting fares. So the community is riding for free and boarding only in the rear to avoid that close contact with the operator. Again, we're asking for everyone's cooperation in this and stressing the importance of hygiene and cooperation along the way.
I think the key emphasis to our community, Erin, is that public transportation is a mode offered to some that really do depend on it. And the reassurance from Omnitrans is that while there may be some time gaps there and some schedule adjustments, you need to plan accordingly, but there is bus transportation and it's free for the foreseeable future. We'll provide those updates and push out those updates, but that's the good news, folks, is that our Omnitrans is a public transportation partner and keeping our buses safe and certainly providing some free rides. Our residents have to get to their doctor appointments, they run errands, maybe even they utilize Omnitrans to get to their employment. Can you share the updated time schedules and these schedules of routes as our viewers may want to be prepared as they plan for their trip accordingly utilizing Omnitrans?
Sure. As I said, starting yesterday, we did implement a reduced schedule. So basically what we've done is all of our 15-minute routes are now operating every 30 minutes, and all of our 30-minute routes are operating every 60 minutes. Our routes that were already on 60-minute intervals will remain at 60-minute intervals. And again, this is a very fluid situation. We're monitoring the ridership on the system every day, and I expect we probably will make further adjustments. We're doing our best to get that information out to the public. So we really appreciate your patience. The bus will be coming. It just may take a little longer. We really tried to maintain our coverage in the service area so that people weren't cut off from those vital transportation services. And we have that schedule in place through Sunday, April 19th. We will be evaluating any changes we might need to make before that time.
Very good. One burning question that I get from a lot of our public is, what are we doing as far as the bus stop stations? I know that there's a regular maintenance route. What say you of kind of the importance of maintaining our bus stops and the cleanliness and the appearance of those bus stops?
It is very important. One thing that's helping with that is a lot fewer people are out using the system. So we are maintaining our regular routines of cleaning, some enhanced cleaning at the busier stops. For our cleaning crews right now, it's really all hands on deck for all facilities, all the vehicles, our facilities that are public and our office space, honestly. So we'll continue to update that, and we encourage the community to provide us any feedback if there's areas they see that need additional attention.
Located at Rialto and East Street is our San Bernardino Transit Center. It's a beautiful new facility. I'm sure that you're also structuring and maintaining that transit facility. Is it no different then? I mean, the schedule there is, we have safety, security guards there.
We
and,
do.
Give us a little update on Transit Center.
Okay, we do. We have safety and security still on site. Of course, that's our facility where we have connecting service to Metrolink. As of yesterday, we did close the lobby down and the customer information that was there. So we encourage you, all of our other ways to contact us are still available. In order to really mitigate people congregating in that area, we did decide yesterday to close the lobby down. That will be temporary, and again, I apologize for any inconvenience that may cause for people, but we felt it was in the best interest of public safety and health.
Very good. And finally, can you provide the resources or websites, maybe a hotline in which our riders here in the city of San Bernardino can contact and make those arrangements, maybe route planning? What resources might you have to share with our community?
Sure. There's a number of ways you can get a hold of us. Our customer service line remains open 7 days a week, and that's 1-800-966-6428. The Omnitrans website, omnitrans.org, has updated information and schedules available. Community members can also follow Omnitrans on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And also, Omnitrans customers can text Omni19 to 337-777 for the latest updates. So we have put in place for both our employees and customers, we're maximizing the use of our existing channels, but we've also tried to enhance that along with posted materials in this, in this time of uncertainty. And we realize people are still, trying to conduct certain business and get to where they need to go.
Thank you so much, Erin Rogers, for joining me here in the studios, providing a community update on public transportation as it relates to Omnitrans. Thank you so much, viewing audience, for your participation in keeping our community safe and intact. Have a wonderful day.